Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two titans in the DDR5 RAM arena. The Corsair Vengeance 64GB 5200 MHz and the 96GB 6000 MHz models. Today, we will dissect their specifications, performance metrics, and ideal use cases, helping you decide which RAM kit suits your needs best. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional, understanding the differences between these two options is crucial for optimizing your system's performance. Let's dive in. When it comes to memory capacity, the Corsair Vengeance 64GB kit provides ample space for most users, especially those engaged in heavy multitasking or large project workflows. However, the 96GB kit takes it a step further, offering an impressive amount of RAM that is particularly beneficial for professionals who require extensive memory for virtualization, rendering, or intensive applications. This additional capacity can significantly enhance performance in demanding scenarios, making it a worthy consideration for power users. Speed is another critical factor in RAM performance. The Corsair Vengeance 64GB kit operates at a frequency of 5200 MHz, which is adequate for most tasks, but may not fully exploit the capabilities of high-end systems. In contrast, the 96GB kit boasts a faster 6000 MHz speed, providing higher bandwidth and lower latency, which can lead to improved performance in gaming and content creation. This difference in speed can be particularly noticeable in memory-intensive applications, where every MHz counts. Latency is another important aspect to consider when evaluating RAM. The 64GB kit has a CAS latency of CL40, which is relatively higher compared to the 96GB kit's CL36. Lower latency can lead to faster response times and better overall performance, especially in tasks that require quick data access. Therefore, while the 64GB kit offers a solid performance, the 96GB kit's tighter timings can provide a more responsive experience, making it a better choice for high-performance computing. In conclusion, both the Corsair Vengeance 64GB and 96GB DDR5 RAM kits offer excellent performance, but they cater to different needs. The 64GB kit is ideal for users looking for a balance of capacity and cost, while the 96GB kit is perfect for those who demand the highest performance and capacity for professional applications. Be sure to consider your specific requirements before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.